Yeah, hello everyone. Please welcome and join me Easy Steps channel. I'm going to do a quick overview and unboxing of my new phone Sony Xperia Z1. Yeah, it's a Sony Xperia Z1 and it comes in three different colors: purple, white and black. Let me open. It has a phone, if you can zoom in. It's beautiful. It has a front screen and one screen on the back. And it comes with, and by the way, this is the international version. It's a unlock version, has a USB, and this one has an adapter international version. It's not going to work in US, so I have to get a new adapter. And it comes with the earphone, manuals, Xperia privileges, Xperia guide, Sony information, important things, and this is for the earphone, SAR information. Yeah, it's a beautiful Sony Xperia Z1. Has a beautiful nice glass on both sides. And it has one of the best camera right now on Android devices, 20.7 megapixel. And the screen 1080p. And this one has a really good one. Yeah, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you real quickly. It's coming up. It has a quad-core processor. That is a good thing about. And it's beautiful graphics. This is very nice. Now we have to set it up. English, USA. And it requires a SIM card. So once the screen moves real fast, no lagging. This is beautiful. Has all the setting things. You can and the camera, as I mentioned, 20.7 megapixel. The best thing I like about this phone from Sony has a magnetic dock charger. If I can zoom in, that is the best. It's a new feature came along. I want to share with you. I did already bought one, and it's gonna be like this. So it's really easy that you just put it on. It's like a magnetic, so it's automatically plugs in and charge the phone. So that is a good feature. Yeah, good feature about this phone is that this is a 16 gig pre-installed memory. And this one has a SIM card on this side. If you open it, and it has a camera button right here, volume control up and down. This is the power button in stainless steel. Then this one has a USB. You have to put your nail here and the similar scenario, you open that, USB, and this one can take up to 64 gig of SD card. And these are good tabs. The reason they put it on this phone is waterproof, so they try to make everything tight and fit. And so it's a really nice, sleek looking. Yeah, hi. So thanks for watching my easy step phones and a quick overview and unboxing of my Sony Xperia Z1. And if you have any questions or concerns, please do so. And thank you again for joining. Bye-bye.